are pleased to show you the 2014 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks, trip computer, child safety locks, power windows, passenger airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.